How to copy images from Google to Canva. So if you want to copy images from Google to Canva, then first you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You just need to simply open up your Canva, go with canva.com and make sure to log into your account. After logging in, you can go with create a new design and you can simply choose any design that you are comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with a blank design. Once you're under your design now, you just need to simply go with the search, and under search you can search for Google images, any image that you're comfortable with. I'll just simply go with a random image. And here, if you want to copy this image, then you just need to simply right click on it and then go with copy image. Once you've copied the image, now you need to go back to the Canva and right click on it, and here you will have paste option. Go with paste, and as you can see, the logo has been pasted. So that's how you can copy images from Google to Canva. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.